this is Mary from Around the Craft Room. I hope your day is going great. If you've seen this video, I made this book and I want to put a closure on it. I want to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to do a chain closure with charms. And this book is going to be used for, I'm going to use it for my sewing memory book of outfits that I've either made or for my kids when they were little, or I don't know, something to do with that. That's my idea anyway, to use it. And on the, as a closure, I'm going to do a chain closure. I'm gonna get ready to figure out how long a piece of chain I want. Also, this chain has a clasp on it, but I like these lobster clasp better for these, so I also have a lobster clasp there. For the front of the book, I've put a little charm on a little piece of chain. It's probably about I don't know, 2.5 inch piece of chain. It doesn't really matter. Then I've opened up another jump ring. Going to put the chain through the eyelet. Put this little piece of little jump ring on the end of the chain, and then I just close it up enough that it can be closed up right there. Just give it just a little bit of playroom. There we go. And close it up. Okay, so I have the little charm and then a little piece of that. Now I have the lobster clasp on the back of this. And what we're going to do is we're going to try hooking the chain itself around there. And so that's how we got it closed up. There is a longer piece of chain. If your book grows, you can move the lobster clasp down. That's basically how you make a chain closure for your book. But of course, now we need to decorate it. All right, I'm going to make a little charm using this little red bead. I think that would look good with our book. So just put it on the head pin. Make sure that the head pin won't go all the way through the bead. And then we're going to put a little yellow bead on top of that. Let's see, do we want to put anything else on top of that? Let's go back and see about putting a bead cap on there. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Okay, put a bead cap on there, and then this little yellow bead. It's almost like a seed bead, but it's a little bit bigger. A little yellow bead on top of that. Let's see, do we want to put anything else on there? No, I just like the simple little bead there. So I'm going to take this and turn it sideways like that. So we're going to have to make a loop So I want to be able to cut a long enough loop. So I'm going to cut the head pin off about like this. Oh, and try not to let it fly all over the room, which mine seemed to do that time. And then I'm going to just take and curl this end of this around. Close up the end there. So we've got it closed up. All right, well, that's our bead charm, and that's how we do a closure with a chain. I like it. I think it's kind of cool. And as the book grows, I can move the lobster clasp on down onto this chain and give it more room. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up. And, of course, subscribe. And if there's any questions, just leave me comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video on making the charm closure, and have a great day. Thank you again.